Today is Tuesday, Parashat Lecha. The parasha of this week, Avraham Avinu is asked to do Brit Milah. According to the Midrash, he asked his friends, Aner, Eshkol, and Mamre, whether he should do it or not. And the question is asked, why would Avraham have to ask them? We know that Avraham Avinu fulfilled the mitzvot of the Torah even before they were given at Har Sinai. It was only the mitzvah of Brit Milah that he waited until he was commanded, because if he had done it before, he couldn't do it again. So the mitzvah has more value when a person is commanded to do the mitzvah. But yet, the question is asked, why does he have to consult with his friends? And in fact, two of them, Aner and Eshkol, said, don't do it. Mamre said, go ahead and do it. The concern was not there whether he should follow the word of Hashem or not. The ones who said don't do it is because Avraham Avinu was involved in Keruv. He was involved in getting people who had no faith in Hashem to bring them closer to Hashem, to have them have faith in Hashem. He was a Keruv person par excellence. And the concern was that if he did Brit Milah, he would be sort of separate from the people that he was trying to get closer to Hashem. People would look at him as somebody who's not their kind. And maybe he would interfere with his Keruv involvement. Mamre said, no, go ahead and do it. And interestingly, in the parasha, when he's told to do the Brit Milah, he's told at the same time that he's going to have a child, which would be Yitzchak Avinu, which will be one of our forefathers. And according to Hachamim, that's a very important connection. To be circumcised is to be also tamim, to be perfect. A father, a parent, has to lead his children by example. And yes, he was involved in Keruv and getting people closer, and they may feel alienated if he did Brit Milah. But more important than that, he has also children and a family to lead by example, to show the commitment to Hashem, to show that, and as a parent, the way that you act in terms of your commitment, whether it is to prayer or to learning Torah or to mitzvot, has a big impact on how your children will grow up as. And therefore, when he was about to have a child, then the idea was, yes, he needed to do Brit Milah to care of the aspect of being an example for his son, who would be the father of the next generation of Jews. Well, that's an important message for parents in general. Yes, you could be involved in Keruv, but at the same time, the home base, the family, is what you need to be caring for, and to show by example for the next generation your commitment to Torah and mitzvot and what it means to be a Jew. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.